So I'll make this quick because I don't have much storage on my phone. So I had oiled the gun up, and some oil came and started seeping down into here and actually made a crack in there. I mean, by crack it means it didn't crack, but it got loose somehow. So there was a gap between the stock and the receiver. So anyways, I just removed the stock, and it looks like the bolt that goes from like here down in on this Serbian AK was never really tightened down. So I had to take this off with Torx bits, these two screws, to get to it. So first of all, from the factory, it wasn't torqued. And now second, look at that. That is one of the Torx bits. I tried putting this back on, and I'm not torquing them down. Torx bit. I'm not like forcing them deep in. This one went in, and then this one just like snapped. So I'm now wondering, crap, what kind of cheapo screws is Zastava using on their new M70s, their new imports? So I don't know what's going on, but now I got to figure out a new solution for that, and might as well for that one as well. So, yep. The more you know, or not say the more you know, but you get the point.